Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming screen tearing. If you want to fix the issue, then here you will see people spread their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that I also play on Xbox Cloud Gaming, but on the notebook and there was a lot of screen tearing, but a lot what I did was buy an Ethernet adapter and a Cat 6 cable playing with the cable. It improved by about 90%. Do you play wired on your console? I believe it is the internet itself. A lot of instability. So this is the first thing you need to consider is to buy an Ethernet adapter and a Cat 6 cable playing with the cable. It is improved by about 90%. And here you will see another people says that buy an Xbox and play your games natively and not on the cloud. If you are getting screen tearing, it is 100% your internet. And here you will see this is the fix. After some playing around on PC, I did find a fix for it on the app, and no, it is not your internet. Open Task Manager, right click Xbox app, go to details, right click Xbox PC app, set affinity, uncheck all CPUs except the topmost one. Problem goes away. So you will need to consider this thing. This is the solution for you. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.